Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I am here where I live. And yesterday we had the Hurricane Irma, which right now is like 12 something. And it didn't really damage like everything, but it damaged some stuff, so I'm gonna be showing you guys that. So look at all this. It got all damaged everywhere. I'm gonna zoom it in a little bit more so that you guys could see it. I'm gonna go over here because we have a basketball court and that thing is messy. And it is windy. I like when it's windy. Oh wait, you guys, so there, that tree fell. Okay, and over here, okay. So this is like starting the basketball court. And here there's a lot of sticks. Knocked down. I'm just gonna be showing you guys this place. And I'm gonna actually go in the basketball court. And here's some more. But yeah, the power went out and I have to be careful because there is bees. And a bee stinged my cousin today. There's more trees, more trees, more trees, more trees. And then there's more right there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's gonna get windy. Look at that. But yeah, and here's more. And guys, we have a hill here, and then it didn't have water in it, but now there was, because today we went walking around our complex, and I saw water, and I was like, look, there's water in there. So yeah, that is weird. Look it around. But yeah, guys, now I am trapped over here. There are more branches, bigger branches. And I gotta be careful not want to cut me. Now I'm gonna go down here. I'm scared to jump off because it's like really windy and there's a lot of bricks down here. So I'm just gonna like that. And right here, there's like more damaged. But on the other side, because we have another side over there, there was two trees fell. They fell. But yeah, guys, that was the end of my video, and I hope you guys were safe. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Bye. Woo! It's windy.